Are pleased to show you the 2019 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.